Once again, we are Diesel Event, and we play right here almost every night except Monday night. But right now, we're gonna slow down. We're gonna make you get a shot, get some drinks, take a deep breath. This song is for you. Here we go.